Greetings everyone, I am Arsha Bhagat, a student of MES Garware College of Commerce, Pune. I am delighted to welcome all of you today. Now, let me introduce Dr. Sharmila Kavedia ma'am. She is the head of the Youth Red Cross department of our college. Ma'am has a strong academic background. She has done BCom, MCom, SET, PhD and CMA intern in specializations of accounting, finance and costing. Ma'am has over 18 plus years of teaching experience in this field. Ma'am creates a welcoming and nurturing environment for her students. Ma'am, please tell us a little bit about Youth Red Cross.
Yes. Indian Red Cross Society is a voluntary humanitarian organization. It works all over India and it is having more than 1200 branches throughout the India. It is a member of International Red Cross Society and Red Cross Movement. Indian Red Cross Society established in the year 1920 in India. It works on the principle of humanity, unity and voluntary. In our college, we are having Junior Red Cross for the junior college students and Youth Red Cross for senior college students.
Ma'am, which activities are conducted in our college under Youth Red Cross?
Yes. Some of the activities are independently conducted by the college itself in association with Indian Red Cross Society Pune branch. Various guest lectures are conducted in that. The functioning and the operations of the Indian Red Cross Society is discussed with the students. Even donating the organ is very important, so that guest lecture is also conducted. Even the rally is carried by the Indian Red Cross Society. So in that our students participates and becomes a volunteers in that. Even the workshops like disaster management, first aid training, financial literacy, women empowerment is also conducted in our college. Then cleanliness drives, tree plantations activities are also conducted in our college. These activities are conducted by the college itself, but some of the activities are organized by Indian Red Cross Society, cleanliness drives, first aid training, or health and hygiene. Then various competitions are also organized by the Indian Red Cross Society, like singing competition, dance competition, debate competitions, the group discussions on the social issues. So in that also our students also participate in the various activities and they win the various prizes and even they get volunteer certifications for that activities.
Ma'am, please elaborate on volunteering services provided by students and first aid.
Okay, so students volunteering activity is very important. So to become a voluntary of Red Cross, we conduct a workshop. So in that, whatever the basic skill sets are needed to become a volunteer, that are highlighted in that workshops.
Ma'am, please elaborate on student volunteering activities and first aid.
Various kind of functions and the activities and the events are organizing in and around Pune city. So in that the students becomes volunteer and serve for the society. So for example, in Pune, Ganpati festival is very famous. So during Ganpati Visarjan, the students, some of the students volunteers, they serve to the people water, food packets, or in the case of emergency even they provide first aid also. So by this activity, students voluntary activities, students come to know how to serve the society and what kind of the problems are facing whenever any events are organizing. For these students volunteering activities, these activities are organized in association with Indian Red Cross Society Pune branch, and for that also students get a volunteering certificate as well.
Ma'am, please elaborate on how Youth Red Cross helps students to grow.
Since the students are participating various activities which are focusing on the humanity and the society, which will solve the society some of the problem. So the students overall personality is developed and they are knowing how to deal with the human and what are the different social problems or social issues are there in and around the world. This will helpful the students even in their professional life and personal life whenever they are dealing with the different kinds of human beings.
On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here today. It is indeed a great pleasure to have you on board. I'm sure our students will get good guidance by your inputs.
Thank you, Arshia. It was a good experience.
So, guys, how did you find today's interview? I hope you love it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with new videos. Thank you.